Hello, I am Zishan Malik. I am the team lead for this Bio 3D printing project. I am working along with Animesh Singh, and my mentor for this project is Shushmita Das. The problem we are trying to solve is the lack of accessible tool for development in Bio 3D printing and bioengineering fields. What we are proposing is that we will make a Bio 3D printing system that will print biomaterials and will further facilitate development in bioprinting, which will be accessible to Indian institutes and research centers. To achieve this, what we did is we took the pre-existing FDM 3D printing technology and then developed 3D and developed systems like extrusion system, deposition, solidification process for biomaterials like alginate around it. This made the whole system a lot cost effective when compared to other imported alternatives, which will be feasible for our customers. For further business in future, we are looking forward to work along with medical research institutes as they are our primary market. We are planning to sell system in box to the institute, and we will be able to provide printing and testing services for smaller institutes and individuals.
Go.